Okay.
My name is Mike Farr, and I'm a volunteer at Champaign Aviation Museum. I began volunteering in February of 2013, and for most of the project, I've been working on the nacelles with several other fellers. And currently, this is the number 3 nacelle. It's the right side inboard nacelle, which will hold one of the landing gears. And where we're at right now, progress-wise, the skins, these panels have been painted on the inside, and we temporarily put them back in place using the clecos, which are temporary fasteners. And after we get everything fitted back together again, we begin riveting the skins to the nacelle frame, and that'll be our finished product.
Now, Mike, let's see the inside of this nacelle.
Okay.
Now, what have you been working on in here?
Okay, in here, Dave, we once again, the inside is all painted to prevent oxidation and any kind of contamination. And my job on the nacelle is to buck the rivet. And so I'm usually inside the nacelle, and as we go around, I've got different tools to use for different areas where we've got crevices and sometimes flat spots, and the riveter installs the rivet on the outside, and then I have to compress the inside of the rivet with what we call bucking bars.
Yeah.
And
now, what are some of the holes that are here? You've got a whole bunch of holes on this side and a bunch up there.
okay, now I don't know exactly what goes where, but there are oil lines that come in through some of these holes. There is wiring. Some of these holes will have grommets, rubber grommets in them, and then there will be hydraulic lines, and we also have a lot of fittings. If you look at the nacelle, the direction I'm standing on the firewall.
So it's sitting up.
Yeah, the engine's actually where the floor is now.
Yeah. Looks like down here are some control places where the control cables come in, and then what's this tube that's right here?
Yeah, and that's for the turbocharger, Dave. And the turbocharger is located a lot farther back on these inboard nacelles due to the landing gear. The landing gear is going to be pretty much where I am right here. And if you've seen B-17s with landing gears up, you'll notice that about half the wheels outside of the nacelle once they're retracted. So it takes a large area to get those big wheels up in here.
Yeah.
This area over here is where the oil tank will sit. There's an oil tank in each nacelle for each engine. Capacity, I'm not sure. I think it's 30-some gallons, maybe. Does that sound right?
Probably. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, thank you.
Yeah. Thank